Hello students, welcome to lecture 2 of polynomials. Now today, before going further, I would like to recall some terms of different type of numbers, that is natural numbers, whole numbers and all. Okay, so let us recall what are natural numbers. See, natural numbers we denote it as n, and they are nothing but starting from 1, 2, 3 to the infinite numbers. These are the natural numbers. Secondly, the whole numbers. Whole numbers is nothing but here what is a whole number? That it includes 0 in it. That is w is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then the third one is integers. This is the most important term now you should know, and it should be very much clear in your mind. Integers are nothing but all the negative and positive numbers including 0. That is but obvious. See, as we are going from natural to whole, 0 is included. Then from whole to integers when we go, then here negative numbers are included. That is, integers is denoted by z, and it is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Correct? Over here also it goes that way. The fourth number are rational numbers. That is denoted by q. And rational numbers are in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0. Definitely q should not equal to 0. Now you should be used to with these terms, that q is not equal to 0, x is not equal to 0, right? The meaning of that is this term q, which is in denominator, should not be equal to 0, because if we say p upon 0, it will be undefined. Correct? So, and these belongs to which family? P upon Q belongs to Z. That is, we can write P and Q belongs to Z. That means P and Q are integers. So, P and Q may have all negative and positive numbers. Okay? They can have negative number also and positive number also. So this is called the definition of a rational number. Very easy it is, that all the integers are there but they come in the form of P upon Q. Then fifth one is prime numbers. See, prime numbers should be very much clear in your mind. They are the numbers whose factors are 1 and the number itself. That we know, but you should recall it again. Okay? The number itself and 1. That is, if I give you 7, then its factor is 1 and 7 only. So these are the prime numbers, but 2 is also a prime number. This is only even prime number and other all are odds. And we can note down that 1 is neither prime or composite number. 1 is there in all the numbers. Okay? So this is more important for you. Now, next comes irrational numbers. We did rational and now comes irrational numbers. See, you should know these numbers very clearly. That is, a number which is not rational is irrational. Okay, that means all the numbers which are in roots, not a perfect square root, but which are in roots. We can write, in mathematical term, you will write that a number which is not rational or irrational. Sorry, is a rational number. I'm very sorry. A number which is not rational is a irrational number. Now suppose if I give you an example, under root of 2, we don't know the value, we need to find it out. Under root of 3, under root of 5, under root of 7 and so on. Under root of 4 you cannot take because it is a perfect square. Correct? Now, seventh one is real numbers. What are real numbers? The rational numbers and irrational numbers together form real numbers, that is R. That means all rational and irrational numbers. You can say rationals and irrational numbers together are real numbers and they're denoted by R. Okay. That means P upon Q form means all the integers, all the roots, everything comes in real numbers. And the one more term I wanted to introduce is domain. We said domain of the function means all the possible values of x. We say f of x. So here domain is what? All the possible values of x of a function. The values which are found, like whatever values we find for this x is called the domain of the function. Okay, so these were the basic terms which you should know before starting polynomials or irrational numbers or integers. Whatever lesson you have, these are the basic terms. Now we can go further with the lesson polynomials. So in lecture 3, we will start with polynomials. Please do go through these terms, write it in your notebook once again and recall all the terms. Thank you very much. I end my lecture over here. We'll meet in the next lecture. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.